ARB CKMTA12 high-performance air compressor, providing optimum power. The ARB twin motor design delivers class-leading airflow for fast inflation purposes. Constructed of lightweight, high-strength engineering-grade materials, it incorporates quality components for quiet operation and extended durability. The twin motors incorporate internal thermal protection against extreme temperature damage, while a heavy-duty inline maxi fuse for each motor provides professional circuit protection. Available as either a portable kit with a 4 liters air tank, inflation accessories, and a durable carry case, or a vehicle-mounted kit with associated wiring loom and mounting hardware.